Hello everyone, this is Mansoor here again today. I'm going to show you how to use Fx-991 MS calculator to solve two unknown and three unknowns equation. So here is a two unknown equation like 2x plus y equals to 7, 3x minus y equals to 3. So if I solve it manually, I get x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So I can do I can solve this by using the calculator much more easily, especially for the equation where it's very difficult to solve. It's very helpful for a calculator. So let's do this in calculator. So go to your mode button in the calculator. Mode, press 1 times, 2 times and 3 times, then you will see an equation. Number 1 mode is equation. So press 1. Here is an unknowns, 2 unknowns, 3 unknowns. So my equation is now for 2 unknowns. So press 2. So it's asking for A1. A1 is basically, it's basically calculator follow a standard thing. So if this is my equation, original equation, and this is the standard from the calculator is asking for. So A1 is the coefficient of x, B1 is the coefficient of y for the first equation, C1 is the constant term, 7 in here, and similarly for the second equation. So put it here serially. So my A1 is 2, B1 is 1, C1 is 7. So after the equal 7. So A2 is 3, press equal again. B2 is negative y. So I told you before, so you have to put negative sign here, -1, and C2 is 3. So if you do that, you can get x equals to 2 here and y equals to 3. Perfect. Okay, and almost the same thing for three unknowns equations. So let's do an example here for three unknowns. Here is an example for a three unknown. So let's do it in a calculator. So go again in a mode 1 to equation mode and unknown three unknowns. A1 is the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of z in my first equation is -1, and the constant term d1 is 4. Similarly, A2, the coefficient for first equation 1, and coefficient of y is -2, and coefficient of z is 3, and the constant term is d, it's -6. Okay, and the third equation 2, 3, 1, and 7. Okay, if I press equals, I get x equals to 1, equal again, y equals to 2, equal again, z equals to -1. Good, awesome. Oh, here is one thing. If you have a missing any of those variable, like if you don't have this y in here, let's say your second equation is x plus 3z equals to -6. So you have to put 0 for the coefficient. You cannot skip this, okay? You have to put 0 here. And another thing student always do mistake. So to do it calculator, you have to assume that you have to actually transfer. If you have a constant in left side, you have to transfer it to the right side, because calculator is reading this in this prompt. So you have to do this correction before putting the input. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and please leave your comment. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll try my best to answer. Thank you. Bye bye.